Today, I'll show you how to insert a table in LibreOffice Writer. Whether you're drafting a report, organizing data, or just need a grid for your text, tables are an essential feature in any word processing software. LibreOffice Writer, being a versatile and free alternative to other word processors, makes it quite simple to add tables to your documents. Let's dive into the process step by step. First things first, you'll want to open the LibreOffice application on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, you can download it for free from the official LibreOffice website. Once you have it installed, look for the LibreOffice icon on your desktop or search for it in your applications menu and then open it. After opening LibreOffice, you'll be presented with a range of options, as LibreOffice is a suite that includes various productivity tools like Writers, Calc, and Impress. Since we're focusing on creating a document, you'll want to select the Writer option. This will open a new Writer document, which is similar to a blank page in other word processors. With your Writer document open, the next step is to insert a table. Look at the top of your screen, and you'll see a menu bar with several options like File, Edit, View, and so on. You'll want to find and click on the Insert tab. Clicking on Insert will reveal a drop-down menu with various options for adding elements to your document. Within the Insert menu, you'll see an option labeled Table. Go ahead and click on this option. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to select the number of rows and columns you want your table to have. This is where you can customize the size of your table based on your specific needs. For instance, if you need a table with 5 columns and 3 rows, simply input those numbers into the respective fields. Once you've decided on the size, click OK, and voila! Your table will appear in the document at the position where your cursor was placed. You can now start entering data into the table cells by clicking on them and typing. If you need to adjust the size of the rows or columns, simply hover over the borders until you see a double-headed arrow, then click and drag to resize. Remember, tables in LibreOffice Writer are quite flexible. You can always add or delete rows and columns later if your needs change. Just right-click within the table to explore more options like merging cells or adjusting the table's properties. And that's it! With these simple steps, you can easily insert a table into your LibreOffice Writer document. This feature can be incredibly helpful for organizing information and making your documents look more professional. Don't hesitate to experiment with formatting options to customize your table's appearance to better suit your needs. I hope this guide was helpful and that you feel more confident about using tables in LibreOffice Writer. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.